Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I got this cranberry fall look here. If you want to see how I got it, then continue watching. Okay, let's start by going in with the color Realgar from the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I'm lightly applying that color. I don't want it to be too bold and too orange, so I'm going in with a very light hand. Then I applied the color Love Letter, slowly building that color up. And right on top of that, I go in with the color Venetian Red. I then grab a little bit of Cyprus Umber and apply that to my outer V, just to deepen it a little. And I use my previous brush to blend that out. Of course, I cut my crease. And then from the Masquerade palette from Juvias place, I apply the color Calabar. I then apply some eyeliner. Pop on some lashes. I apply the eyeshadows Love Letter in Venetian Red to my lower lash line. I apply some mascara. And black eyeliner, and the look is complete. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.